X, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a cool function in Google Sheets called import data. The import data function allows users to import data from a CSV or TSV file that is available on a website into your Google Sheet. CSV stands for comma separated values and TSV stands for tab separated values. Okay, let's begin. I just copied the URL of a CSV file that displays all the Oscar winners for Best Actor from 1928 until 2016. Now I will open Google Sheets. Click on a cell on your Google Sheet, go to the Functions area and tap +, Import Data. Open parentheses, quote. Now paste your URL. Close quote, close parentheses, and click Enter. As you can see, it is loading your data. Sometimes Google Sheets will prompt you if you want to allow access. Just click Allow. And there you go. Your data is imported. Cool, right? Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.